Here's how you can use the Úlla Búlla song in class and incorporate it in with an Irish lesson. There's an accompanying worksheet that you can download for free from my website. So to start with, you get the kids in a circle and you sing the Úlla Búlla song. It goes, Úlla Búlla cuera fanuna sutalún smeridua Úlla Búlla cuera fanuna prota trota anra agus coca. And then the kids continue to keep the beat like this. And you go in a circle and each person takes a turn saying a food that they like. So for example, it's bra lum a rosti. It's bra lum pizza. And obviously if it's kids who speak more Irish, they can do longer sentences. And if it's kids with less Irish and you're really just encouraging them to get speaking, you just go in a circle and they name a food. So you finish up the circle. It's bra lum a ron. It's bra lum im. It's bra lum Úlla. Úlla Búlla cuera fanuna sutalún smeridua Úlla Búlla cuera fanuna prota trota anra agus coca. And that's it, it's super simple. I assume most people watching this are primary school teachers, but if you're not a primary school teacher and you've made it this far and you just want to try this game with the kids in your life, give it a go. Let me know how you get on. And the song Úlla Búlla is available on all the usual streaming platforms with a full band. It's really good crack. After you've played the game, have a bit of a bop along to the song and let me know how you get on. Úlla Búlla cuera fanuna prota trota anra agus coca.